Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 2016 on Oracle VirtualBox. So first you need to download the VirtualBox. You can get this from the Oracle website. So I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to open it. So to create a new one, we come here and we click new. Give it a name. That's what I'm going to name it. You can see Windows 2016 64-bit already came up. If it's not there, you can just click here and you can look for it. We click next. They will give you the recommended size. You can leave it as that. I'm just going to load mine a bit. Click next. We're going to leave it at create a virtual hard disk now. Create. We leave it at VDI. Next. Leave it at dynamically allocated. Click next. And then you see 58 gigabytes. We click create. Okay, so now you see it should pop up here. Sorry, right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to settings. Wait for that to open. Right. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to storage. As you can see where it says empty, I'm going to click that. Click this disk. Choose create a virtual optical disk. And then you can see I'm going to click Windows Server 2016. This would be the ISO that should be downloaded in order for this to work. You can choose whichever ISO you want. This one is for 2016 and you can get this from the Windows website. So now that's in there, I'm going to go to network, attach to, I'm going to put it as host only adapter. Click advanced. I want to make sure this is Intel Pro 1000 MT desktop. Then I'm going to come to promiscuous mode and I'm going to click allow all. And then OK. So I'm going to come here, start, normal start, and it should start up. Okay, so now you can see that it's starting up. I'm just gonna X this off. Okay, so you know it's gonna be working once this pops up. You're just gonna let everything load. It may take a while depending on your computer. Okay, so then it will take you to here. You can see it'll ask you to choose a language, time and currency. So you'll just do that and then you click next and then you press install now. You can see setup is starting. Okay, then after a little bit, this should pop up. I'm going to click Windows Server 2016 Standard Evaluation. Then I'm going to click Next. Okay. Now this will come up. All you have to do is accept. Click Next. Now this will come up. I'm going to choose custom. Okay. Then we're going to click this and next. Okay, then this is gonna come up after. This process does take a good while, so just be patient. Um, let all of this load, and we'll come back once this is loaded. Okay, so once all that's done and loaded, your server will restart, so just let it restart, and yeah, we'll come back when it has restarted. Okay, once it's done restarting, then it's gonna ask you to put in a password and re-enter it. And of course you can put in any password you want. And then we just click finish. Okay, once you've put in your password and it's all good, it will take you here. We'll just go to input, keyboard, and then CTRL, ELT, DEL, click it. Okay, now you're just gonna put in the password that you put in before. Okay, and then you're done and you have officially installed Windows 2016 on VirtualBox. Yep, it's very easy. Thank you for watching.